This is a rundown of the display on the Exoquad V2. So we have buttons to the left of the steering or the handlebar. So push the top button and hold it for a couple of seconds. You'll see our logo, and then you enter the starting menu. Here you can see kilometers an hour, driving mode if it's 2WD or 4WD, battery percentage, and drive or reverse mode there. You can also see some information here about the controller and motor units and the temperature. So if you push the top button, you'll swap between 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive. If you push the bottom button, you will swap between reverse and drive, so forward or backward. If you enter the center menu button, you can get some additional information. Like in the center here, we see how far you've ridden and how long you've been driving for. You still see kilometers an hour at the top, driving modes, and reverse drive. At the bottom you have the time. If you hit it one more time, you will enter an even more advanced menu. Here you can see the power expenditure. So here we have voltage and battery percentage, the 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive mode, reverse, and also motor RPM, how many rounds per minute it develops during driving, the motor torque, the temperatures for the controller and motor here. And to turn it off, you push the top button. Hold it for a couple of seconds and switch off the screen.